If you're looking for a great party starter that requires no cooking at all, these simple cucumber sandwiches are just what you're looking for. They're creamy and cool and crisp and perfect for any party. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making cucumber tea sandwiches. They sound super fancy, but they're really, really easy to make. And the best part is you can even make some of the ingredients in advance and then assemble them right before you're ready to serve. So to start our cucumber sandwiches, we're going to make the cream cheese mixture. And it's cream cheese with a little bit of Greek yogurt and some herbs mixed in. And you can definitely mix this up any way you want. I like to use fresh dill because dill goes like so perfectly with cucumbers, and then some chives as well. And a little bit of salt and pepper to season it. So we're just going to add the cream cheese to a bowl. And then we're going to add the Greek yogurt, and then the herbs, and this is fresh dill, and some chopped chives, and then a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're just gonna mix this with a hand mixer. You can beat it with a whisk as well, but you make short work of it if you have a hand mixer. And that's it. So you just want it to be creamy and smooth, and those herbs need to be incorporated in there evenly. And now we're gonna take our bread. I like to use a white bread. Just like your regular run-of-the-mill Stroman white bread works here very well. If you like to make homemade bread, that would be even better. So we're just gonna spread a little bit of the cream cheese mixture on both slices. And you just want like a thin layer. And the cream cheese mixture you can make up to 3 days in advance. Just put it in an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. Just make sure you pull it out of the refrigerator maybe about 30 minutes prior, or you're not gonna be able to spread it onto the bread so smoothly. Now we're just gonna layer some of our cucumbers, and I have English cucumbers here. They're the cucumbers that you find in the grocery store that are wrapped in plastic. They don't have a waxy coating on the outside, so you don't have to peel them. And then they also, sometimes they're called burpless cucumbers because their seeds are much smaller, so you don't have to seed your cucumber either. And they make you less gassy. It's great for a party. Nobody wants gassy guests. So you're just gonna layer your cucumbers over the bread and the cream cheese mixture. And you want to slice them pretty thinly so that when you cut this, they're not like kind of falling apart on you. And then you just take the top layer and press it down lightly. And then we're going to trim the sandwich so that you have the cute little tea sandwich. You're going to cut the crust off. And then you're going to cut it. You can either, here you can cut it into like little squares or rectangles, but I like to do a triangle, so we're just gonna cut it straight across there. And that is it. That's your cucumber sandwich. It's so perfect and beautiful and pretty and perfect for a party. These are great for like bridal showers or baby showers. And I'm just gonna make one more. Maybe if you have a book club, these are great for book clubs, or maybe a party for one. Sometimes I like to just have a party for myself. And there we go. That one's not as cute, but it still works. And we're ready to serve. You can garnish with some extra dill or some chopped fresh chives, but right now I'm just going to take a bite. It's so good. It's creamy, but like the crispness of the cucumbers, it's super refreshing. You can taste that fresh dill in there. It's so good. Perfect and light. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.